The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So before I get further into the video, I would like to give a big shout out to Total Tech for the video idea. He did a video about the Mate 30 Pro on his channel, so check out his video below and subscribe to him if you ain't done so already. So now apparently we have new leaks of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro from Huawei here. Y'all can see now it does have a circle camera setup here, a circular camera setup. So that's pretty interesting. It looks like it does have 3 cameras on the back, so that's pretty cool. I think one of the lenses or whatever, or whatever, is gonna have a 100 times zoom, so that'll be pretty insane. On a smartphone to have 100 times zoom on a phone, so that's pretty cool. So you do have camera flash, of course, Huawei logo, your power button and volume button are on the right side of the phone. So that's what the back of it looks like. The front of the phone, I don't know what it looks like, so I don't know. These are leaks, so do keep that in mind, alright? So it looks like we're gonna have a circular camera setup for the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. The Mate 30 Pro could run Ark OS, which I think it will possibly, or we could have a couple versions of this phone, one with Ark OS, one with Android. If you guys did not know, the Huawei ban has been lifted, so now Huawei can use Android on their phones now if they want to, which I'm sure they will at some point. So we could see 2 versions of the Mate 30 Pro, one with Ark OS, one with Android, so that'd be pretty cool if it is indeed that. You know what, even be cooler if you had dual boot on this phone. It would have Ark OS and Android on the same phone. That'd be pretty sweet if you had dual boot, so that'd be pretty sweet if it did happen. But that's a good idea though. So yeah, that's what the back of the phone looks like. And then we got like a case render here, a glass case. Y'all can see the cutout for the camera for the Mate 30 Pro here, according to this leak case. Y'all can see that it does have Huawei there on the side, and it also has some other stuff up there. I'm not sure what this gray thing is right here, and it looks like a dude just taking a picture with that iPhone, probably an iPhone 6, 6S, something like that. It's an old iPhone, so that's pretty interesting there. So it looks like an iPhone 6 or something like that, 6S. I'm not sure, but it is an old iPhone being taken with this picture. So yeah, this is what the case could look like for the Mate 30 Pro. Like I said, these are leaks, so do keep that in mind, and we will see what we get on this phone. We'll see if we get Ark OS or Android or both, which would be cool if we do get both. So people who like Android can try out this phone too if they want. You know what, it would be cooler, like I said, dual boot, to have Ark OS and Android on the same phone. So people can experience both on one phone. So that'd be pretty cool. That'd be a cool idea. So yeah, what do you guys think about these leaks for the Mate 30 Pro with a circular camera setup? And do you guys think that we'll get Ark OS, Android, or both? I think we'll probably have both. I'm hoping that we will have both versions for this phone, so that'll be pretty cool. So there you guys have it, the Huawei Mate 30 Pro with a circular camera setup on the back. So that's pretty interesting. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.